Cardboard Citizens is the next NFT money bag alert you guys do not want to miss out. We're going to check out their website, their Twitter, as well as at the end of the video, check out this art that looks amazing. You guys do not want to miss out. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe and that bell notification is lit up. I want you, if you're part of the citizen community, come over here to this video, leave some bullish comments down below. Get everybody tapped in. You guys, I like to see this engagement, and that's why we have to come to the Twitter page. It's a good way for you to do your due diligence and see how the community is engaging with the project. All right, so we're going to keep scrolling down. We can see some of the meme characteristics of it. I like this right here. This will get any crypto project, kind of pumped up if you have this kind of meme characteristics going on. So this is a glimpse of the art. We're going to take a deeper look at the art and see what they got going on. This is a NFT project based on merch, like the way you're going to be dressing, your drip. And if we notice right here, this looks epic. Shout out to whoever did the art as well. We're starting to see a trend with NFTs to do with the drip, the merch, what you're wearing. And as I say in trading, when we're looking at stocks, the trend is your friend. Volume is king, of course, but I say the trend is your friend. You have to move with the trend. And right now, although we're not looking at a chart, there's still a pattern going on, and we're starting to see a pattern of NFTs incorporating themselves and having utility around the merch. Okay, we can see how this one almost looks like a North Face jacket. Okay, so that's something that most people are going to be able to notice. It's got the same fluffiness, the same almost design. So this is pretty epic. Paying attention to those small details will go a long way. Let's take a quick look at their website. Off the rip, I like the website. I like what they got going on right here. I want you guys down below to let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. The citizens community. Let me know, the Cardboard Citizens community, what you guys want to see. Let's go ahead and take a look at their art, because that's what got my attention, and also their drip. Like this one right here, this looks epic right here. Of course, what's going on, but the jacket, the attitude, the eyes, it puts a smile on my face. And that's one thing about NFTs that I feel is one of the aspects that people should look at. Does it make you feel some type of way, and we got this on the Solana network. So we're going to be doing some videos also on Solana. That's probably the network that we're missing out to do. And since the Cardboard Citizens brought me here to Solana, we'll get some Solana videos out, because like I said, does this NFT make you smile? Does it, one, it has use case. So we have the use case, but you got to like the art as well, because that goes a long way. That helps you believe in the project. It helps you stay engaged, and that's what we're really wanting is long-term engagement, people who believe in the project and are willing to share the pass around the word. This is epic right here. I like these. I'm noticing that I like the ones with the dark eyes. These are pretty cool. So let me know what you guys think about this art down below. This is just going to be the first video of many more to come of the Cardboard Citizens. So leave some comments down below. Make sure you're, like I said, like the video, subscribe, bell notifications lit up. Like that, you guys can keep coming back, experiencing double and some money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.